does it not come down to incentives and policy that really promotes the use of more sustainable, let's use the word sustainable materials?
Yeah. I will say yes, and also talk about ASBEC's recent embodied carbon comprehensive policy framework that we created.
Yeah.
You're exactly right. You need a supporting policy ecosystem along with the measurement tools.
Yes.
So tools are really great, but unless you've got people pointing to it, unless you've got rewards for, the outcomes.
Yes.
What's the point?
Yes.
From an infrastructure perspective or a big I infrastructure perspective, the infrastructure transport ministers meeting at the federal level. So it's the it's Australian ministers along with the states and territories. Mm-hmm. They've been really proactive and wonderful at working together, and we are very likely going to be seeing, they have released consistent measurement guidance around sort of measuring and reporting on embodied carbon nationally.
Yep.
They've been looking at consistent valuing of carbon in infrastructure projects. So that's implementing now.
Yeah.
And they're really, the pace of change, the changes I've seen in the last year have been, wow, it's amazing.
Okay, so things are moving
happening.
forward. Okay,
Yeah.
All right. I'll take you down a slightly different track, but come back to it. Come back to this. Green infrastructure is an area that we have been doing a bit of work on. So it's where there's going to be some practice note guidance that's going to be released that basically talks about how you can integrate green assets into asset management planning, right? So devoid of changes of international accounting standards. So it's a change management process. So it's thinking about how can we implement a green infrastructure solution, manage it over its life cycle, what the differences mean, versus a grey or hard infrastructure solution and what that means.